We will upload a liquid transition by providing a relevant title and tags. After going to Adobe Stock, select Upload, open the file you want to upload, and drag it into Adobe Stock. Once the upload is complete, select all files, choose the category Graphic Resources. Select No, then type the title, Transition Ink, Water and Liquid on Green Screen Background. For the keywords, I use the ones from my portfolio. You can copy my keywords from the video class description. Then we paste the keywords. Click Save and click Submit File. Those are the techniques for creating ink, liquid, water, and fire transitions. These techniques can be applied to all 4 types of transitions using a green screen. At the next level, we will learn how to create transition templates in CapCut, using a bit of green screen and making the background the main focus of the video. Transition templates have good sales potential and are easy to create. We can produce both quality and quantity quickly.